Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Fiverr affiliate program and how you can earn commissions each time someone buys the gig through your affiliate link. Now this is going to be a step-by-step video. All you have to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process, and let's get started right now. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to go to your normal Fiverr account. Just search for fiverr.com. And after you are, guys, on this page, what you guys need to do next, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom and you want to click here where it says affiliate. Okay, just keep scrolling and then click on affiliate. As you can see, affiliates. Now you want to click on it and it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, it says here, become a Fiverr affiliate, join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world class freelance talent. So that's what you guys need to do. You just need to click here. It says join now, and here you will have to enter all your personal information. For example, the first name, you will just need to add here your first name, your last name, and email address. I'm going to add here my email address right now. And also you will have to add here your username. Okay, so the username, I'm going to add this username, and the password, you just come up with a password here. I'm going to do that right now. Just come up with a password here and then paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to like add, for example, I'm going to like use this password. Okay, so after that you will say account type. It, like, you can choose it. If you have like a company, you can just select here company, and of course you will have to add here the company name. Now if you are private, just click on private. Here, do you have a main source of traffic? I always recommend in like saying yes, because you know where you are going to promote these products or these gigs, if you don't have like the main, like the source of traffic, like a channel or a website or a page. Now what you guys need to do, don't worry about this. You can just add a random channel here, even though it has nothing to do with Fiverr. You just need to, you can add here a YouTube channel, the URL link of a random YouTube channel, just like this. I just created this channel just a few seconds ago. You can just add the channel here. You can also add multiple links, like if you have like multiple pages and channels, you can do that. You can also add here an Instagram page or a Facebook page or Pinterest if you are going to promote these links on Pinterest. Here the country, you want to select here country. I would select my country, which is Morocco. And here you want to select your language. You can only select, like, it says 7 languages here. So if you have like if you don't speak like if you don't speak these languages, it's going to be hard to use the like Fiverr affiliate program. So I would go with English. And here the Skype, you just need to add here Skype if you have it, of course. If you can add. And after that you want to click on save here, and after that here, tell us a little bit about yourself. For example, how do you plan to promote Fiverr services? I would select here YouTube. Okay, what are your audience's key interests? Graphic design, digital marketing. Okay, like you can just choose whatever you want. If, for example, business, programming and tech, music, audio, all Fiverr services. You can select here I agree to terms and conditions, and I agree to I agree to the privacy policy. Click on register now, and after that just give it a few seconds. As you can see here, guys, it's loading. Just give it a few seconds, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys need to do next. Okay, here if you go scroll up, here it says congratulations, you are a Fiverr affiliate. We are so glad to have you on the board, and we'll do our best to like feature offers and content to your unique affiliate profile. So what you guys need to do, you want to click on start doing. Of course, you will have now to log in into your Fiverr account. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so after, guys, you log in, as you can see, you will be able to use now your Fiverr affiliate. As you can see here, the privacy policy, you just need to toggle all of this on. Okay, toggle all the box, check all these boxes, and then click OK. And here you will find here it says your affiliate platform goods and makeovers. Just click on maybe later, and here available balance, and here you will find your available balance. Now what you guys need to do is to start you just start like promoting these gigs. Okay, so as you can see the marketing tools, you can see a marketing tools, default deep links, like you can generate a link here. Fiverr Pro new plan, you can add here the link of the gig and click on generate this, and you will be able to generate a link. Here, payments, you can add here your payment. As you can see, if you click on payment history, you will find here all the transactions. Okay, so here it says sub affiliates. Here you can also see your sub affiliate links, commissions plan, as you can see here, and also affiliate store, as you can see. Okay, so you can partner with Fiverr, join forces with World's is leading freelance marketplace for digital services with partnership. Now, what you guys need to do is to start like promoting the gigs. Okay, it's very simple. Just start promoting it on, for example, on like on Pinterest, or for example on YouTube. Okay, so that's exactly how you can like join like Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below. And yeah, by the way, to request a payment, you will have to have like $100 in your available balance. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped you. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them below. See you guys next video.